Hi, my name is Joe Cardenas and I'm gonna be showing you guys the Chief's heart. Okay, so first things first, the visceral pericardium or the epicardium, which is the top layer of the heart, is pretty much all this stuff right here. And then we have the apex and the base, apex, base. Then we have the right and left atria, which the right one has deoxygenated and the left one has oxygenated blood. Let's see. After that, we have the right and left auricles, which are right here. And then we have auricles. What are these used for? They're to help increase the capacity of the atriums and also to increase like the blood flow or the blood volume. Right and left ventricle. So we have the right and left ventricle right here. After that, we have the interventricular sulcus right here. Sulcus. Sulcus? What major blood vessels are found in the sulcus, which is the right coronary artery? The pulmonary trunk, which I have it already ready right here. Pulmonary trunk, and this blood is going to the lungs from the right ventricle, and it's deoxygenated. It's going to go get oxygen. After that, we have the aorta, which I found it right here. The aorta. Where's the blood of this vessel? This is going from the left ventricle to the body, and it's of course oxygenated. All right, so we have the ascending aorta, which is pretty much right here. After that, we have the aortic arch, but we don't have it actually, so it's missing. The superior vena cava, which I believe is here, and the inferior, which I believe it's here. Then we have the coronary sinus running through here. It goes into the right atrium. It's a vein and it has deoxygenated blood. Okay, now we're going to show the pectinate in the inner wall of the right atrium. So we have right ventricle here, the right ventricle, right atrium, and it should be, I cut a little piece, so right here, the pectinate, so that's the inner wall. After that, I don't know if you can get a good look of it. Right there, right there. Well, I'm poking at right here. Okay. Then we have after that, show the myocardium of the right and left ventricle. Okay, so myocardium. Let's get a good look there. Okay. Good look, good look. Okay, so then here is our right ventricle. This whole thing is our left ventricle. So the myocardium on this one is right here, compared to the gigantic one from the ventricle, the left ventricle. And the reason why this is almost 3 times as bigger than the right ventricle is because this side, the ventricle on this side, pumps to the whole body. So they pump blood, so you need more of a contraction to push the blood through the whole body. After that, we'll point out the trabecular carne on the inner surface of the ventricles, which is I call it the holy part, or you can see right here, this whole part. Let's see more. There we go. So this part, see, and then we have show the interventricular septum, which again, this is the middle part, what separates the 2 ventricles. Okay, so bicuspid mitral valve, it's right here. We got the tricuspid valve, which is our atrium. It is torn up, but it's right here. It's in pieces, but it's right here. Then we have the tendini, chordea tendini. Alright, so those are the tendon looking things here. the cups of the valves, which is here. It's actually very hard. Then we have the papillary muscle, which is here. And then we have the pulmonary semilunar, which is in here. If I can get it. Oh, there it goes. Right here. I kind of cut it a little bit too much, so I think I took it out of its place. That's pulmonary semilunar, and the aortic semilunar valve, which is, let's see if we can get it. It's in here, right here, this thing.